Welcome to our English class. Today I am explaining third class English lesson. The lesson name is Gentle Elephant. What is the lesson name? Gentle Elephant. Once Anish was going to school. He wanted to reach school as early as possible. No sooner had he reached school than he rushed to the school notice board where his classmates Ellie and Sumit were reading the notice. Daily Anish went to school, but this day he wanted to reach school as early as possible. Then he went to school. No sooner had he reached school, after he reached the school, then he rushed to the school notice board. He rushed means run. He rushed to the school notice board where his classmates, who are they? Ellie and Sumit. Ellie and Sumit. What are they doing? They were reading the notice. Some notice is there. Have you ever seen the notice board? Okay, what did you observe there? In the notice board, what did you observe? Yes, there is some information about holidays, exams and some important messages were written on this board. Hey friends, listen, an elephant has escaped from the circus. I just heard a man saying so. Oh, this is the matter. What the matter? An elephant was escaped. Escaped means get away. Get away. From where? From the circus. From the circus, an elephant has escaped. What is circus? What is circus? A place where so many animals will do so many activities. A place where so many animals will do so many activities. Not only that, so we can see some jugglers, buffoons also there in circus. Who told this? Anish told. Next. Oh, how did it happen? How did it happen? Now its big feet will trample and break the flowers. This boy Anish told about an elephant has escaped. In that time Sumit said like this. Oh, how did it happen? Now its big feet will trample and break the flowers. Then Sumit said, how this happen? The elephant may walk over the plants with his big feet and maybe break the flowers. If animal will keep the leg on the flowers, what happened? The flowers will break. Next. The circus authority has sent some men carrying wooden bars to tame that bad elephant. I would also chase that mischievous animal. Who told this? Who? Anish. Anish said that the circus people sent some men to catch the elephant. And I also went to chase that naughty elephant. That means Anish also interesting to catch that naughty elephant. Chase mean run after. Chase mean run after. Mischievous mean naughty. Mischievous mean naughty. What the circus people carrying with him? Wooden bars. For what? If the elephant not listen their words, he will beat the wooden bars. Next. Oh, I would also join you. Then Sumit also so much interested to catch the elephant. Ellie was listening to them. Up to that, Ellie was don't talk anything. Then she broke her silence. That means that he started to talking. But I think elephants are gentle and kind. Ellie thinks elephants are very kind. I have taken rides on elephant. She take ride on elephant. In some places people ride on elephant. Generally, we also take rides on a camels, horses, like that. In this way, she also taken ride on elephant. Though they are big and have enormous feet, still they are nice. They can't do any harm to us. Though they are very big and having very large feet, they are very kind, and she is thinking like that. I think it's hurried to send men with wooden bars to catch the elephant. She feel very hurried. It is very hurried. Why? The circus man take wooden bars to catch the elephant. Why they take wooden bars? If the elephant will not listen their words, they will beat it. Next, it's all right. It's all right. Then you go and get the elephant out of the park. Who said this? Anish. Move. Move on. See if it will come and eat out of your hand and follow your instructions. Next, Anish will talking. Then Anish said to Ellie, okay Ellie, then you go and catch the elephant. We will see if it will listen to your words. He said these words in teasing manner. He is teasing her. See the meanings. Chase mean run after, mischievous mean naughty, and hurried mean dreadful. Next, Ellie listened to Anish patiently. She thought of a plan to get the elephant out of the park. It was lunch break. Then she went to a bakery near her school. But Ellie listened Anish's words very patiently. She did not get angry. She didn't get angry. And she thought a plan to catch the elephant without scared. The elephant, and it was the lunch break to them. So she went to the bakery. Where it is? Near her school. Where is the bakery? Near her school. Do you know about bakery? Which things are there? Some breads, cakes, chips, like that. There. The baker. See the baker. He is talking to Ellie. What do you want, little girl? She asked the Ellie. What do you want, little girl? Then Ellie said, Uncle, please give me some big buns to feed an elephant. Yes, this is the plan. She feed buns to an elephant. Uncle, please give me some big buns to feed an elephant. She brought big buns for an elephant. Then she take buns. Now I have to find where the elephant is. Now I have to find where the elephant is. Anish said it was in the park. Already Anish said the elephant is in the park. I hope those men with the sticks haven't scared it away. Then she thought that the elephant was in the park. Already Anish said. She was saying herself that the circus men haven't scared the elephants with stick. Ellie went inside the park. She take buns and went inside the park. She sees the elephant there and calls out. She find out the elephant and she call her. She call the elephant. How she calls? Let's see. Hello Jumbo. Hello Jumbo, you are here. Come to me. I have brought some big fresh buns for you. Do you not want to eat this? Then finally she find out the elephant and she call Jumbo. The elephant name Jumbo. She calls like that. You are here. Come to me. Please come to me. I have brought some big fresh buns for you. She offered the big buns to the elephant and asked him, Jumbo, please come and take these fresh buns. Come Jumbo, come to me. You must be hungry as you have been roaming for such a long time. Roaming means move about or travel aimlessly without any cause. The elephant move here and there. She requested the elephant once again and said, "You are very hungry. So you are traveling aimlessly. Please come and eat the buns." Hey Jumbo, hey look, Jumbo is eating out of Ellie's hand. Let's call the keeper. Then what happened? The elephant come and started eating the bun in Ellie's hand. And remaining children called the children keeper with fear. See, all the children are surrounded here. They are seeing Jumbo. What they doing? What Ellie is giving them? See. Next, they feel fear. And they call the keeper. What a brave girl you are. What a brave girl you are. Thank you very much for taming the elephant. Would you like to have a ride back to your school? Then the keeper will come. They praised her. The keeper praised her. What a brave girl you are. You are a very brave girl. Thank you very much for taming the elephant. They said thanks to Ellie. Would you like to have a ride back to your school? The keeper offered her a ride on elephant to her school. Then Ellie sit on the back of the elephant and rides back to her school. She accepted their wish. Then Ellie sit on the back of the elephant and ride back to her school. Hey, look! There is Ellie is sitting on the elephant's back. All the children wonder